Honda has totally upgraded and rebuilt the Odyssey for 2018. An overhauled V6 motor, new 9 and 10-speed programmed transmissions, more expressive styling, and a truly necessary all-new infotainment framework round out the Odyssey's changes versus a year ago's model. The Honda Odyssey's execution and productivity are very useful for a minivan. Dashboard tech has been redesigned and now includes Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and a physical volume handle. Lodge Watch and Cabin Talk enable guardians to monitor an auto loaded with kids without taking their eyes off of the street, and back excitement applications help keep little travelers possessed. Honda is presently offering its suite of dynamic security advancements, including mechanized crisis braking and versatile voyage control, as standard hardware on everything except the base LX trim level. Everything means a convincing other option to the universal hybrid for moving family, companions, and payload. The two best trims of the Odyssey, Touring and Elite, convey high costs of $45,450 and $47,610, separately, and come completely prepared without the requirement for checking various alternative boxes. The mid-range XL, notwithstanding, and at a beginning cost of $38,300, it speaks to the best value for the money. Similarly as with the extravagance loaded upper trims, the XL has a lot of standard cutting edge and extravagance highlights.